Hi, I am Maya, an AI-generated member of XLPro team, created by Ashwini Kota, the founder and director of XLPro. When it comes to trade shows, innovation is the name of the game. And one of the most innovative tools at your disposal today is virtual reality. Let's explore 3 groundbreaking ways you can leverage VR to make a lasting impression at your next trade show. Number 1. Virtual product demonstrations. With VR, you can transport your prospects into a virtual environment where they can explore your products in stunning detail, without the need for physical prototypes.
The VR demo was incredible. It helped me visualize how the product would fit into my workflow, and I left the booth with a clear understanding of its benefits.
By offering immersive product demos, you can engage your audience on a whole new level and drive home the value of your offerings. Number 2. Virtual tours. Why confine your trade show booth to a physical space when you can transport visitors anywhere in the world with VR?
Welcome to our virtual showroom. Here, you can explore our entire product lineup and even take a peek behind the scenes at our manufacturing facilities.
With virtual tours, you can showcase your facilities, projects, or even past successful events, all without leaving the trade show floor. Number 3. Interactive VR games and experiences. Who says trade shows have to be all business? With interactive VR games and experiences, you can inject an element of fun into your booth and attract a crowd.
Our VR game was a huge hit at the trade show. Not only did it draw a crowd, but it also sparked conversations about our brand and products.
From immersive storytelling experiences to gamified challenges, the possibilities are endless when it comes to using VR to entertain and engage your audience. So, there you have it. 3 innovative ways to use virtual reality at trade shows. Are you ready to take your trade show booth to the next level?